Welcome student, I am Sandeep Kumar from Arya College of Engineering and IT. Today we will discuss about addressing mode. There are 5 addressing mode in 8085 microprocessor: immediate addressing mode, register addressing, direct addressing, indirect addressing and implicit addressing. First of all, we will discuss about immediate addressing mode. In immediate addressing mode, operand is always data. We can say the data is part of instruction. For example, MVI B, 20H. Here 20H is data and B is a register. What is the meaning of the instruction? Move the data 20H immediately to register B. It means after execution of the instruction, register B will have contain 20H. Next, LXIH 3067H. It means load the data 3067H immediately to register pair HL. As we know, the register pair HL can store 16-bit data. 3067 is data, not an address. Next, ADI 30H. It means add the 30H immediately to content of accumulator. Next, MVI B, 0A. It means 0A is not accumulator, 0A is data. That immediately move to register B. All the immediate instruction having I, for example MVI, LXI, ADI, MVI, I at the end of opcode. Second, register addressing mode. In register addressing mode, both the operand in registers. For example, move A, B. Here A and B both are name of register. There is no direct given data. Data is in the register B that will move to register A. Next, ADDC, add C. Add means addition. Addition the content of register C with accumulator. These both are register sub B. Subtract the content of register B from accumulator. Third one, direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, instruction have direct address of the memory or input output where data is available. It means instruction have address of the data. The data address may be of memory or maybe from input or output device. For example, LDA 2050H. Here 2050H is address of the data. Load the accumulator with the data whose address is 2050. Next, STA 2040H. It means store the content of accumulator to the memory location 2040H. Third, in IN20H, in stand for input. It means receive or read the data from input port whose address is 20H. Next one is indirect addressing mode. In indirect addressing mode, instruction indicate register pair where memory address of data is stored. If character M as operand, it indicates register pair HL hold the address of data. It means in indirect addressing mode, either a register pair indicating the address of data or word M is there. It means the address of data by default in HL pair. For example, LDAXB, load the content of accumulator from memory whose address hold by the register pair BC. It means BC hold the address of memory and the address of memory hold the data. So we say indirect addressing mode. Next, move B, M. Here M, capital M is operand. It means move the content of memory to register B. But from where? The address of memory address of data will be in HL pair by default. Next, implicit addressing mode. In implicit addressing mode, operand is hidden. It means operand is not shown directly and data stored in accumulator most of time. Mostly time when we not given any operand, it means by default there will be accumulator. Also, result of the after execution result should be in accumulator. For example, CMA, complement content of accumulator. It means data is in accumulator, it complement and again store in accumulator. RRC, content of accumulator, rotate right. RLC, content of accumulator, rotate left. In implicit addressing mode, there is no second any word, only single word, CMA, RRC, RLC, only single words in the instruction, no operand given here. So it means it is by default there is operand in accumulator. Thank you.